Aloha from today. Don't laugh. Don't laugh till you taste it. Elevated canned spaghetti sauce. Everyone, okay, my husband, my mother, my friends, they love it. And I'm gonna share with you my secrets. Today we're going to use the Instant Pot. And like I told you before, all my recipes, you can do it the regular way on the stove with a pot, but the Instant Pot will save you time. The way I make my spaghetti sauce, there are several steps because I like the meat cooked down. Some people like it chunky, a chunky sauce. If that's the case, then you can skip some of these steps. So first, I'm going to saute the onions and garlic. The Instapot has a saute feature, a saute button. Let's find it. You need to be careful. The saute on this Instapot is kind of a high heat, so you don't need to saute very long. Where's the button? And in the instructions, it says when you use the saute, you need to have the lid open. Okay. Oh. After I saute my onions and garlic, I'm going to start cooking my meat. I put in the pork, about 1 pound, and then I'm going to add 1/4 cup of water. You can you can skip this section if you like your meat chunky. Turn back. I'm gonna turn on the saute again. I'm gonna mush this down. I'm just breaking up the meat. So it's cooked down a little bit. Okay, I broke it up. I broke it up. Oh yeah. Now, turn it back on. Saute. Push everything down. 1/4 cup of red wine. Italian seasoning. A nice dash. Uh, where's my, oh, basil. I love basil. I know I used to grow my own. I gotta grow my fresh basil, my fresh chili peppers. This is a secret. 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 Crushed fennel. Yes. 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 About a healthy teaspoon. You're good. Come on, baby. All right. That. We can salt and pepper after. Let me mix this up a little. Don't play with your food. Okay. Oh, spaghetti sauce. I just use what's on sale. Oh, sorry, pasta sauce. I just use what's on sale because look, we added all that flavor. And um, if you want to know, this is mushroom flavor and this is traditional pasta sauce. Carefully, don't splat on me. Don't splat on me. Smell good already. All right. Manual, 45 minutes. Make sure the knob is sealed. And don't forget, it takes about 10 minutes for the clock to start. So I'll probably see you in about an hour. Don't laugh. It's so delicious. Watch. Just watch. After 45 minutes, the Instant Pot goes into low mode. I turn it off. Usually, I let it sit till the pressure releases on its own. But today, we're going to go ahead and release it because I got to go already. And I'm fine. You can put mozzarella or Parmesan cheese or both.